Get ready to beat the heat with the coolest deals of the season. We're thrilled to announce Slice Engineering's summer sale event. Don't miss out on exclusive discounts, special offers, and amazing prices. Find amazing deals on hot ends, upgrade kits, heat brakes, boots, nozzles, and more. Buy a copperhead or mosquito hot end and get a free silicone boot. Buy a mosquito hot end and receive a free vanadium or Bridgemaster nozzle. Spend over $50, snag a 50-watt heater for just $7.99. Spend over $100, claim a free item. Enjoy up to 60% off on selected products. Stay cool, save big, and enjoy the summer with fantastic savings. See you there! Visit us online at sliceengineering.com.